Hello everyone, my name is Tim Haslam and I'm a web developer at Code Greene. We're a web development shop in Salt Lake City. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a website with WordPress. The first step is to go to wordpress.org and download it. There's a section there, and then unzip it, and then it'll be ready to go. You'll have to put it in your folder where you're going to have your server set up. I use MAMP for my local testing and server issues. So to set it up, you have to go into your PHP MyAdmin. You have to create a database. So we'll call it WordPress, and we'll press create. And my database is created. Then we'll come into, or we'll open our text editor. We'll open the file, the WordPress file. So mine's in my sites folder, WordPress, open. And here on the left is all the WordPress things that you need to get ready. So you open up the WP config sample, and you just follow the instructions. Put your database name here. So our database name is WordPress. Our username is root or root, depending on where you're from. And then this is also root. And then you save it, and then you can rename it and take off the sample. And that should be configured. Now you'll open up your web, or let's see. It's been a while since I've done this, but if you open up your browser and type in localhost WordPress, so that's what it's called, and there we go. It automatically opens up your WP admin install, so we'll call it WordPress test and your email, which for this I won't put in, but if you press install WordPress, then it'll work. I'm going to put my email address in off screen so you guys can't see it, and then install WordPress. And so here is my username and password, so I'm going to copy that and then press login, and then it's admin, and then the username, login, and here we go. Here's our dashboard for WordPress. If we visit the site, we'll see what that looks like. It's just the basic theme. Hello world, welcome to WordPress, and then it has all these features over here. This is the basic WordPress theme, but you can add a new post and say hello world. Keep adding an extra W. Okay, and then you press publish and visit site, and there you go. Hello world. And then it's uncategorized. You can do all that. You can worry about all that. You can add pages in WordPress. If you go to add new, and then pages, add new. Let's call it the roster, blah 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 blah. Publish, visit site. Over here is my roster with all the blah blah blah. There's also an about page, but then to change the theme, there's a couple ways you can do it. I would suggest going into your admin and going to appearance, and here's all your themes. So there's two available themes. You can switch to that and then press activate WordPress Classic, and it will do that. So it activated it. If you come back and you click on the WordPress theme directory, it'll take you here. So let's download Fusion. That looks nice. We'll download it. Okay, so that just downloaded to my desktop, hopefully, and it did. It's right here. So in order to get it into our WordPress, we have to put it where our WordPress folder is, which for me is in my sites, and then in WordPress, and then it's in your content, WP content, and then themes. So let me show you what I just did here. So I took it from, I took it to my WordPress folder, then my WP content, and then to themes, and then I dropped it in there. And let's see what that does. Let's open back up our admin, and look, there it is, ready to go. So you click on it, hit Activate Fusion, and this is what it does. Here's our new site. See, here's that post that I put in earlier. Here's our page roster. So it's all there. It's a pretty handy tool for WordPress. WordPress is a pretty handy tool. I would suggest getting to know it very well. It's very powerful. And you can change all this stuff. You can add in plugins and things like that. Just go to wordpress.org and find out all that information. But now I'd like to offer you this free report. It's called 6 Easy Steps to a Successful Website. You can put in your name, email, and phone number, and the address is getcodegreene.com. And you can download that, and we're also offering a free consultation on any web project that you may have. So just get in contact with us this way, and we'll follow up with you. Thanks for your time.